In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Hostinger plan step by step so you can upgrade your hosting quickly without getting lost in the dashboard. Whether your website is growing, you need more resources, or you simply want a better plan for your business, this is the easiest way to do it. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're signed in, you'll land inside the main dashboard. This is where all of your hosting products, billing details, and account settings are managed. If you've used Hostinger before, this part should feel familiar, but if not, just take your time and make sure you're in the correct account before moving forward. Now go to the dashboard area if you're not already there. From the dashboard, look for the billing section. Inside billing, click on subscriptions. This is where Hostinger lists all of your active services, including hosting plans, domains, and any other subscriptions tied to your account. We're focusing on the hosting plan, so find the hosting subscription you want to change and open it. Once your hosting plan opens, you should see the details for that subscription. Here, Hostinger gives you options related to your current plan, renewal settings, and upgrade choices. Look for the button that says Upgrade to a higher plan. This is the option you need if you want to move from a smaller plan to a more powerful one with more features or resources. After clicking Upgrade, Hostinger will show you the available plans you can move to. Take a moment to compare them carefully. Think about what your website actually needs. If you're running a small site, you may only need a modest upgrade. If you're getting more traffic, hosting multiple websites, or need better performance, it may make sense to choose a larger plan. Select the new plan that fits your goals. Next, choose your billing period. Hostinger usually offers different payment cycles, such as monthly, yearly, or longer terms depending on the product and promotion. The billing period can affect the overall price, so review it before continuing. Pick the option that works best for your budget and how long you plan to keep the hosting active. After that, choose your payment method. Hostinger will display the available payment options for your account and region. Make sure the payment method is correct and ready to use. If needed, update your billing details before completing the purchase so the transaction goes through smoothly. Now review everything one more time. Check the new plan, the billing cycle, and the total amount before confirming. This final review step is important because it helps you avoid selecting the wrong upgrade by mistake. Once everything looks right, complete the payment. As soon as the payment is finished, Hostinger will process the plan change. In most cases, your upgraded hosting plan will be applied automatically, and you can go back to your dashboard to confirm the new subscription details. From there, you'll be able to take advantage of the new resources and features right away. And that's how you change your Hostinger plan. It's actually a pretty simple process once you know where to look, and now you can do it without any confusion. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.